Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Belal Hussain, assistant teacher of mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, look. Today's topic is chapter 8, CBQ Nong 1, lecture Nong 8. Look, CBQ 1. Remember student, this CBQ is not present in chapter 8 in your book, but this CBQ question is made by using the information of chapter 8. Okay student? Okay, now read the questions. 4 by 8, 4 by 10 and 4 by 20 are three fractions. A number, reduce the first two fractions into lowest form. Look, this type of math we have practiced in 8.8 exercise 1. Okay. Now B number question, find the sum of the last two fractions. That means we have to adding the last two fractions. That means these two are the last two fractions. Okay, and already we have done this in 8.8 exercise 2. Now question now C, find the sum of the above three fractions. Okay, this question also taken from 8.8 exercise 2 from that chapter. Okay student, you remember also that 8.8 exercise 1 and 8.82 exercise are included in chapter 8. Okay. Okay student, now let's start the solution. Look, reduce the first two fractions into the lowest form. That means write at first A number, the first two fractions are the first two fractions are 4 by 8, 4 by 10. Now write here 4 by 8, 4 by 10, 4 by 8. That means 4 by 8. We know between 4 and 8, 4 is the common factor. So we have to divide both numerator and denominator by 4. Then you get 1, then you get 2. So 1 by 2. Similarly, 4 by 10, 4 by 10. Look student, between 4 and 10, 2 is the common factor. 2 is the common factor. So we have to divide this by 2, then we get 2. Similarly, divide 10 by 2, then we get 5. This equal to 2 by 5. And this is the required the two fractions which is the reduced from. Look, this is 2 by 5 and this is 1 by 2. Both are the reduced from. Okay student, now write the answer. One by 2, 2 by 5. Okay student, now I will solve B number questions. Look, find the sum of the last two fractions. Find the sum of the last two fractions. Okay student, write the last two fractions are, right, the last two fractions are 4 by 10 and 4 by 20. Now according to the question, the sum of the last two fractions, alright, the sum of the two fractions equal to 4 by 10 plus 4 by 20. You know, this is 4 by 10, 4 by 20. At first, what is our duty? To add. At first, we have to do the LCM of 10 and 20. Do the LCM 10 and 20. Student, remember, you may do the rough in left side or right side. Okay, this is your wish. Right? 2, then you get 5, then 10. Similarly, select 5, 1, then 2. Therefore, LCM is what? 2, 5, 2. That means 20. Look, student, if you divide 10 by 2, then you get 5. Similarly, if you divide 20 by 2, then you get 10. Now, between 5 and 10, we can select here 5, then 5 divided by 5, then we get 1, then 5 divided by 10, then we get 2. Then the LCM is 2, 5 and 2. That means 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20. That means the LCM is 20. Now write LCM is 20. Then the same procedure, student, look, divide 20 by 10. Divide 20 by 10, then we get 2. Now multiply with 4. Then 4 to the 8. Plus plus. Similarly, divide 20 by this 20, then we get 1. Now multiply with 4. That means 4. This is equal to what? 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 equal to 12. Right here 12 by 20. Now see, student, between 12 and 20, 4 is the common factor. Okay, so we have to reduce now. You divide 12 by 4, then we get 3, and divide 20 by 4, then we get 5. This is equal to what? 3 by 5. Student, notice here, divide 12 by 4, then we get 3. Similarly, divide 20 by 4, then we get 5. That means the required result will be 3 by 5. Now write the required fraction, the required sum is 3 by 5. Okay, student, and this is the answer. Dear student, remember, if you write the required sum or required value, then no need to write again the answer. Okay. Now I will solve question now C. Student, C number question is what? C number question is find the sum of the above 3 fractions. Okay, student, look, right, the 3 fractions are the 3 fractions are 4 by 8, 4 by 10 and 4 by 20 and 4 by 20. Now write the sum of the three fractions. Look, The sum of the three fractions means what? 4 by 8 plus 4 by 10 plus 4 by 20. Look, first fraction is 4 by 8, then second 4 by 10, and the last fraction, that means the third fraction, is 4 by 20. Now we have to add. So our first duty, do the addition of 8, 10 and 20. Okay? Look, 8, 10 and 20. We have to do the LCM. Look, at first you have to select 2 because all the numbers are divisible by 2. Select here 2. Then if you divide 8 by 2, then you get 4, then 5, then 10. Similarly, now between among these number, 2 is the common factor. So write here 2, then divide 4 by 2, then 2. 5 is not divisible by 2, so 5 is remaining same. Divide 10 by 2, then you get 5. Now 5, 2, 1, 1. That means LCM 2 into 2 into 5 into 2. Look student, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 20 into 2, this is equal to 40. Student, this is a big size LCM for you. So I will repeat again for your understanding. Look, if you divide 8 by 2, then we get 4. Similarly, if you divide 10 by 2, then we get 5. Now 20 by 2, then we get 10. Now 2 is the common factor. Between look, you know student, if any two number will be divisible by any number, then we will select 2. That means if we divide 4 by 2, then we get 2. 5 is remaining. 5 is not divisible by 2, so 5 is remaining same. Now divide 10 by 2, then we get 5. Now here at least 5 is the common factor. You see, this is divisible by 5 and this is divisible by 5, so we have to select here 5. Now 2 is not divisible by 5, so 2 is remaining same. 5 divided by 5, then you get 1. 5 divided by 5, then you get 1. Now write 2, 2, 2, 2, 5 and 2. You know, 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20, 20 to the 40. That means you have got the LCM is 40. Okay, write the LCM is 40. Now divide 40 by 8, then we get what? 5. 5 fours are 20. Right here 20 plus divide 40 by 10, then we get 4. And 4 fours are 16 plus divide 40 by 20, then you get 2 and multiply with 4, then you get 8. That means 16, 18 plus 8. Now this is equal to what? 8 plus 6, 14. You have 1 in your hand. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. That means 44 by 10. 40. 44 by 40. Now see, this is also divisible by 4. That okay? If you divide 40 by 4, then you get what? 11. Okay? Divide 4, then you get what? 11 and divide 40 by 4, then we get what? 10. Look student, divide 44 by 4, then we get 11. Look, how can 44 by 4, that means what? 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, okay, that means 11. Similarly, divide 40 by 4, we know 4 tens are 40, okay. That means we have got here 11 by 10. Student, look here, 11 is the numerator and 10 is the denominator, okay. So you see 11 is bigger than 10, so this is an improper fraction. Now we have to convert this is a mixed fraction. How can? Look, 1, 10, 1. Look, how can like this way? 10 ones are 10, 1. Look, write this one, then this one is numerator and 10 is denominator. Okay student, and this is the rough, no need to write. Now we write the answer. The required sum is 1 integer 1 by 10. Okay student, and this is the answer. Okay student, I hope you understood today's topic. You have to keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.